Hello and welcome to another window parts video. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to fit our universal window restrictor. This is universal because it does a left hand window and right hand window, and it will also suit top hung windows as well. So to fit it, take the window restrictor and place it on the opening part of the window, the sash. Place it in the deep Euro groove part of it, as indicated in the video. Place it in the position you feel is comfortable for how wide you want the window to open. The further down you put it, the more narrow it will be. The further up you put it, the wider it will open. Once you're comfortable, 2 screws, about 25-30 mm length, straight in the 2 holes indicated in the video. Once you're happy with that, we'll go inside, take the pin that comes in the packet and position it where, when you close the window, the rounded part of the hook, as indicated in this video, is going to hit that pin. It needs to hit there because the pin will then push it around for it to hook in. Okay, just mark the hole. Once you've placed it where you want it, mark the holes roughly where you want it, so when you grab your screws you can line it up nicely. Same size screws, about 30mm, 25mm, screw them straight in. Okay, and then just check it to make sure it fits nice and shuts nicely. And to simply, if you just want to unhook it off there, very simple, just pull the window inside so the tension on the hook has come off and just flick it off the pin and it will open up. Okay, thank you very much for watching.